3-minute instant focus hack, an easy breathing exercise. Hello, this is Gert from GertLeroy.com. Peace in every breath. So you got a project to finish, you got a report to write, you got to answer those emails, but you just can't focus. That's a problem, right? In this video I'm going to show you an easy breathing exercise which will make you focus instantly. So what are we going to do? We're going to alternate our breath between left and right nostril. And we're going to do this on the count of 4, 8, 8. Here we go. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then again you start with the nostril you just finished with. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, if you find it difficult keeping up with the count of 4, 8, 8s, let me know in the comments down below. Now you can also increase the count of 4, 8, 8 to 6, 12, 12 or 8, 16, 16. Always make sure the breath hold and exhalation are double the duration of your inhalation. Doing this for 3 minutes is usually enough to collect your thoughts and focus on what you gotta do. That's it, hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel. Peace in every breath.